Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make spicy Parmesan Mayo Crusted chicken. It's delicious and you're going to love it. In a bowl, add half a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, quarter cup Parmesan cheese. Mix the ingredients. Use freshly grated Parmesan. Add 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Cayenne Pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix well. At this point, preheat oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Marinate chicken breast. Place the chicken breast on a baking tray one by one. Take the remaining mixture and spread it on top of the chicken breasts. With a spoon, spread the mayo mixture on the chicken. Sprinkle breadcrumbs on top, not too much to avoid any burns or sogginess. Bake chicken for 35 to 40 minutes on 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermometer should read about 165 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, when you see clear juices seep out, it's done. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, give it a thumbs up, and share. Thank you for watching Creative Moments. Bye!